on the runaway bus, 'cause those rosy days are few. Well, stop apologizing for the things you've never done. It's time to show our life is cruel. It's up to us to change this town called Malibu. Ooh, yeah. Do you know this song? Oh, it's a good song. Rows and rows of kids you broke up by lying in the very yard. Well, 100 lonely housewives punch every milk balls to their hearts, hanging out their own love letters on the lines of fire. Not to make you stop believing, tears come fast and furious in this town called Malibu. Ooh, yeah. This is the bit where you can join in. Everyone knows this bit. Here we go. Sunlight, struggle, year after year. The atmosphere's a vibrant and device. I'm almost stopped forgetting this time called life. Ooh, yeah. Whole streets believe in Sunday for me. Life's flashing against the call. To be the countdown of your other kids you hear. It's a big decision in a town called Malibu. Ooh, yeah. This is where you're clock. Well, let's do the times. Don't get dressed when Brian gets here. Goes down the street, echoes down the track, sitting almost down to nowhere, just floating around. Sing like kids in the creaky swing, like thunder in the breeze. I could go on for hours, and I will. Wanna put some joy back in this town called Malibu. Ooh, yeah. In this town called Malibu. In this town called Malibu. Ooh, yeah. In this town called Malibu. Oh, thank you very much indeed. Here he is, the harbinger of doom.